Hi everyone, I'm Pat Harrington and I'm a senior here at QU. I just turned 22 years old and I plan on graduating in May. This is my SB 450 student introduction video. Originally I was born in Connecticut, not far from here, in a town called West Hartford. It's about a 40 to 45 minute drive from Hamden. When I was about 4, we moved to New Jersey, which is where I currently live, in a town called Toms River, which is about a 10-minute drive from the beach. I actually transferred to Quinnipiac from a different school. Out of high school, I went to Rider University, which is in New Jersey. And then after my freshman year there, I visited Quinnipiac, and I ended up transferring, starting my sophomore year here. The main reason for the switch was just about, I felt it was better academically here than where I was going before. Some of the things I like doing in my off time are watching sports or playing sports with my friends and family. Mostly Boston, New England fan, except for the fact that I'm a Flyers fan for hockey. Other than that, I like to travel a lot. I like to go to places like Vermont, Colorado, and Canada with my friends to go on snowboarding trips. I'm a big snowboarder. I also enjoy watching movies and reading books when I can. Usually it's when I'm here at school. If I have the patience, I'll pick up a book, but mostly I'll watch a lot of movies. I don't really have a set-in-stone dream career as of now. It seems like every week I find something new that interests me and then I want to pursue, and then the next week I'll find something else. And that's actually one of the hopes for the class here, is that I'll maybe figure out what I want to do in the future, see something that I can pursue and something that I can stick to as a career. Other than that, I just hope to learn some real-world business skills so that when I graduate from here, I'll have some knowledge of how the business world works and stuff like that. So to just end it off, I'd like to say that I'm excited for the new semester in this class, and I think not only me but everyone here is going to learn a lot. So thank you.